You step on the brake and you hear a grinding noise. You need a brake job. Brake jobs start at $149 and up. I'm going to show you step by step how I replace my brake pads. Let's dive in.
Field Guide to DIY is not responsible for any accident or injury which may occur as a result of following this video. Please consult a professional mechanic when performing any automotive repairs. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Step 1. Chock the wheel. Step 2. Safely jack up the car. Step 3. Remove the lug nuts and wheel. Step 4. Inspect the rotor for scoring. You may need to replace it or have it turned down on a lathe. Step 5. Remove the brake housing bolts. Now, what other YouTube channel is going to give you such a tight shot? Step 6. Now remove the brake pad and caliper housing. Step 7. Remove the brake pads. Yeah, they're a little worn. Fortunately, I replaced them before I had metal on metal. Step 8. Carefully compress the brake caliper. They do have a special clamp for this, but I just used a C-clamp. If there's too much pressure, you may need to release the bleeder valve. Step 9. Install the new brake pads. Then remount the brake pad and caliper housing. Then install and tighten the brake housing bolts. If you loosened it, tighten the bleeder valve, wipe off any excess brake fluid, and return the bleeder valve cap. Step 12. Remount the wheel. Step 13. Top off the brake fluid. For more automotive DIY tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.